In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poll on WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device and sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and head over to the conversation where you want to create a poll. And here, go ahead and click on the attach icon. Now, go ahead and click on poll to be able to create a poll on your group chat or your conversation. Now, in here, go ahead and create a question for your poll and create options for this poll. So you can add as many options as needed for your poll. Now, you can allow multiple answers or not allow. After that, click on the next icon to be able to proceed on posting this poll on your group chat or your conversation on WhatsApp. And that's how you can simply create a poll on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.